Introducing ASUS ROG Strix RTX 3080 10GB gaming graphics card. Buffed up, designed with chart-topping thermal performance. And this graphics card or eGPU has a NVIDIA Ampere streaming multiprocessors, which is the building blocks for the world's fastest, most efficient GPU. The all-new Ampere SM brings ×2 the FP32 throughput and improved power efficiency, and it has also second-generation RT cores, which is a experience ×2 the throughput of first-gen RT cores, plus concurrent RT and shading for a whole new level of ray tracing performance. And third-generation tensor cores, which is to get up to ×2 the throughput with structural sparsity and advanced AI algorithms such as DLSS. Now, with support for up to 8K resolutions, these cores deliver a massive boost in game performance and all new AI capabilities. With the axial thick fan design has been tuned up with more fan blades and a reserved rotational direction for the center fan, and also it has 2.9 slot design, expands cooling surface area compared to the last gen for more thermal headroom than ever before. With super alloy power to includes premium alloy chokes, solid polymer capacitors, an array of high power stages, and GPU tweak to provides intuitive performance tweaking, thermal controls, and system monitoring. This graphics card or eGPU is from top to bottom. The ROG Strix GeForce RTX 3080 has been radically improved to accommodate the impressive new Ampere chips from NVIDIA and to deliver the next wave of gaming performance innovation to the market. A fresh design and more metal surrounds, a grouping of axial fans. Last gen's uniform fan layout has been usurped by a new rotation scheme and specialized rules for central and auxiliary fans. Below the blades, a larger, more expressive heatsink is ready for the most demanding thermal loads. The PCB has some new tricks up its sleeves, and even the backplate has received some performance boosting change. You've been waiting for the latest and greatest in GPU design, and this is it. And for the axial thick is upgrades, which is axial thick fan design has been optimized for a new, larger heatsink that features more fins and surface area than last gen. The blade count has been increased all three fans, with 13 on the center fan and 11 on the auxiliary fans. The barrier ring on the side fans has been slimmed down to allow for more laterally intake and to provide better airflow through the cooling array. The center fans, extra fan, extra blades, and full height ring provide boosted static pressure to blast air directly into the GPU heat spreader. And this graphics card or eGPU has new fans directions, which is to bolster the specialized rules of the center and auxiliary fans. The rotational direction of the center fan has been reversed. This reduces airflow turbulence inside of the cooling array for another boost of the card overall thermal performance. The sum of the ROG Strix cooling innovation results in lower fan speed and raises the performance threshold for achieving a sub 55-degree GPU temp, at which point fans can shut off completely. Builders seeking quiet performance will be placed. And for the heatsink of this graphics card or a GPU it is a max contact, which is to get heat up of the die and into the heatsink array. To benefit from the new fan design requires special attention. Uses a manufacturing process that polishes the surface of the heat spreader to improve smoothness at the microscopic level. The extra flatness allows for better contact with the die for improved thermal transfer. And it has also 2.9 slot design on the heatsink, which is the heat spreader draws into heat pipes that carry it through a fin stack that fills a large 2.9 slot footprint, increasing the heatsink size compared to the last generation, provides more thermal headroom to account for the new high-performance chipset. And for the PCB on this graphics card or eGPU is it has a premium components which are top-shelf capacitors, chokes, and MOSFETs are selected to effortlessly deliver hundreds of watts at a milliseconds notice. The super alloy powered two parts are soldered to the PCB using the advanced Auto Extreme automated manufacturing process. Smooth joints on the rear of the PCB and the elimination of human errors ensures each graphics card meets rigorous specifications. And it has also a fan connect 2, which is the rear of the ROG Strix graphics card sports two PWM fan connect headers that provide additional DIY flexibility. Chassis fans can be directly attached to the GPU and tuned with a curve that based on CPU or GPU temperature. Provide extra intake or exhaust for demanding 3D tasks. And for the design of this graphics card or GPU is it has a fresh shroud, which is in addition to under the hood design change. The ROG Strix features a new face with metal accents that mirror the design aesthetic of ROG and ROG Strix motherboards. Mixing surface textures and materials make a statement when vertically mounted and lit by chassis LEDs. For those who prefer a sleeker subtitle look, the grayscale colorway allow it to seamlessly blend into the build. And its color out back, which is a flipping the card around, reveals more design improvements. A wide backplate vent and shortened PCB allows hot air to escape towards chassis exhaust fans instead of being recycled by the GPU's circulating colored design. A GPU bracket provides extra stability to critical connection between die and heat spreader. The I/O bracket is made from stainless steel to protect ports and provide a more secure mount. A conveniently placed dual BIOS switch allows quick selection between performance and quiet mode for basic customization of the card's default behavior without software. And it has also a functional front, which is a careful attention has been paid to the front of the GPU as it's the most visible parts of the card. In typical configurations, a new addressable RGB element can be customized with Armory Crate to create a uniform look along with the ROG components to fulfill the power demands of the GeForce RTX 3070. 2-pin power connector are present along with an onboard circuit that monitors PSU real voltage. The circuit is fast enough to catch any transients that result in the real voltage dropping to low. If that happens, a red LED will light up to indicate a power supply issue. The Strix reinforced metal frame is also visible here, adding a literal layer of durability. And for the GPU Tweak 2, which is the ASUS GPU Tweak 2 utility, takes graphics card tuning to the next level. It allows you to tweak critical parameters including GPU core clocks, memory frequency, and voltage settings with the option to monitor everything in real time through a customizable on-screen display. Advanced fan control is also included along with many more features to help you get the most out of your graphics card. So that's it for the ASUS ROG Strix RTX 3080 10GB gaming graphics card or eGPU. So that's it. Good luck to your PC build and see you in the next video. Thank you.